Okay, hi YouTube, it's your boy Austin here, and I'm going to show you what you need for your birds. First, you're going to need little mirrors and the little feeder, and you might want them to have like something to hang on. So I get these little teep like hanging things you can hang. They can hang on, and I got like a little log stick, and so yeah, I'm gonna get and I'll show you the birds. I just gotta get them ready, so hold on, guys. We're right back. Okay, now there's the birds. I will hold one. I'm gonna get the male. He likes to bite, and well, he doesn't like to bite. I'll tell you what he likes to do when I get him. I'll show you. Gotta grab him. And by the way, we have a little tree skirt. Like, it's not a tree skirt, but it's a cage skirt for your birds. If they like spread bird seed and drop bird seed all over the place, it's good to have because it holds the bird seed in. Okay, so this little guy, he likes to like clean you, kind of. I'll show you. Watch. See, he's biting. Oh, he's not biting, but he's like trying to clean you.
Can you help me? Please help me.
He's trying to bite.
Help me.
See? So that's what he's doing. Yeah.
Can you help me?
Oh, my bad. Holy crap. Hold on, my bad, YouTube. Fix the camera. So yeah, and the females are way different. Well, mostly males like to bite. Females are way different. I'm about to get the female. She's just a plain old bird that doesn't like to bite. I'll show you. And I know I got one named, see, she's not even biting. She's just chilling out. So yeah. And so there you go. And by the way, oh, dang, the female's name is Sweetie, and then the male's name is Carl. The male, well, they're both mine. Well, my mom named the female, and then I named the male. Well, Chad and I named the male, my brother.